Hi, today I want to talk about 5 ways how you can make money using PLR. So what is PLR? Well, PLR stands for private label rights, and essentially they're products that are pre-done, usually as text content. It can be also in the form of video, softwares, ebooks, articles, etc. And they give you the right to basically say that you are to use as your own. Now, the rights can vary depending on the seller, so you do need to read over the license carefully. But it's a great way to kind of kickstart your business and make it easier, especially if you're not used to, writing. You struggle to write or make videos or that type of thing. PLR can be great. Now, this is just one website that sells PLR products, but there's a lot of different places to buy PLR. So I'm not talking today so much about where to buy it, but how to use it when you buy it. This is a good example, though. Here you can buy ebooks, articles, software, videos, much more. You can rebrand them, and you can sell them as your own to make money. So, number one way to make money using PLR is to create a blog and use it as blog content. This is a keto diet website that I have, and I essentially purchased some keto diet PLR text and used that text to make posts on the blog. Now, some of you may be thinking, well, but it's duplicate content. It's not original content. And that is true, but there's a big myth. Google does not penalize duplicate content. So it doesn't hurt your blog to have duplicate content. It's just that it won't necessarily help your blog. So if you're trying to use it for just strictly SEO, search engine optimization and ranking, it's not probably going to really help with that. It won't penalize you, but it won't really help either. However, if you're getting traffic to your blog in other ways, through social media, etc., then this can be a great way to get a blog done quickly, get some content on it, and use your PLR in that way. So, blog articles is one way to do it. Another way is you can use it to create email follow-up series. So, this is an email autoresponder called Aweber. Another popular one is called GetResponse. And what you can do inside Aweber and GetResponse is you can buy a PLR product to use as a free giveaway, create an email opt-in page where people give you their email in exchange for the free giveaway, the report, the video, etc. And then you can send them messages, and you can send them follow-up messages after they opt in. And in those follow-up messages, you can use PLR articles that you purchased to educate them. So let's use the example of the keto diet. Maybe you come up with a email opt-in page for a free keto diet report. People give you their email, and then in Aweber or GetResponse, you have automated email messages going out with educational content about the keto diet. Again, these could be PLR articles that you purchased and that you're using in your email follow-up series. And in those follow-up emails, you promote keto diet products, which you can find on ClickBank or other places. So this is the second way you can use PLR. A third way that you can use PLR is using it to put up on social media. You can buy video PLR that then you do need to change it a little bit, but then you can put it up on YouTube. You can put PLR up on Facebook, Twitter, or other social media, and you can create social media posts. Maybe if you buy an article that's 1,000 words, maybe take the introductory, couple of sentences, and you make that your post on Facebook or Twitter with a link that then goes to the rest of the article, which might be on your blog or wherever else you have the rest of that article. Or it could go to your opt-in page where they give you their email in exchange for getting the rest of that information through email messages. So social media, you can use it for social media posts, again, to build your email list or convert to sales. Another way that is great to use PLR articles is to turn those articles into a video. Once you have those videos made, you can put those videos up on YouTube, Vimeo, Dailymotion, Facebook, etc., all these different places and get traffic either, again, back to your blog, to your email opt-in page, or to affiliate offers through the videos. There's a really nice piece of software called Pictory. This is the software I use. And Pictory actually makes videos in many different ways, but the one way that we would use it for the PLR text content, if you purchased it that way, is to create videos from text. And if you go to the Pictory website, I'll put a link in the description box below so you can go to it. It's really easy. All you do is just input either, if you have a blog, you can actually just input your the URL of the blog post. But basically, you just put in the script, and that script is that PLR article that you bought. So, staying with the theme of keto diet, say you have an article about, the most effective keto diet plan ever, and it's 800 words. So you just put that script in, and then it will automatically pull in related video clips and pictures that relate. You can add your voiceover. You can use their AI voiceover. You can do your own voiceover. You can add music. You can add branding. So it's a really simple way to make these videos from PLR articles. And then you can upload that video to, again, YouTube channel, to your Facebook, to Twitter, really to anywhere else. So I love Pictory. Super easy to use. You can see the link below. Come over here, play around. They have great demos, everything on their website. But this is another way the other thing you can do, actually, I should say before I forget with Pictory, is it has a built-in editor as well. So if you, maybe go to a PLR website and you buy some video PLR, right? Just yesterday, I actually bought some video PLR. And so you get these video files. Well, in Pictory, you can actually upload those video files, and you can add intros, outros. You can edit the video to make it unique, because again, you'll need to make that video unique before you can upload it to YouTube. All right, because if somebody else has uploaded that same video, then you'll get flagged for duplicate content, and it won't be allowed. So you need to make it your own, and you can do that through the editor that Pictory includes. All right, and then the fifth way, and again, these are just 5 ways to use PLR products. There's certainly other ways, but the last and fifth way is to take PLR articles that you purchased and make an ebook. There's a great software for that called Scribble. And what you can do, again, is say maybe you buy 10 articles that are all related to the keto diet. Well, you could take those 10 articles, and you can make each of those articles a chapter and create a nice ebook that then you could sell. Or maybe you decided to use one article as your lead magnet, so that one article becomes your giveaway on your email opt-in page, and then the other 9 articles become the ebook that maybe people will purchase after they opt in for your free ebook. So Scribble's great. It's super easy. It's online software. It looks like they're having they usually have a coupon on sale, so it's typically not full price. But very easy to use. Again, you can come to the website. I'll put a link as well in the description below. You can watch the demo. You'll see how simple it is. Let's go down. Basically, all you do is choose the template. So the nice thing is they make great e-covers. You put in use the template that you want. You put in the content. Again, the content is going to be your PLR articles, right? And then it will generate and publish an ebook for you, and you can save that in PDF form. And then this is, they're going to insert pictures, have really colorful graphics. So it's not just a black and white book that you're getting, but it has a really nice feel to it, very professional, and it's just super easy. So these are the 5 ways that you can use PLR to help you make money online. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. I'd appreciate that. Subscribe, and make sure you stay up to date on new videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you found this helpful.